In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I will go with maybe Firefox browser. When your browser or other default app is ready, you can finally access Settings, scroll down a tiny bit and access Apps to tap on Default Apps. Then click on one of those sections, tap on your new app to apply it and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!